Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best grill griddle plates on the market.
The Amazon Basics Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Reversible Rectangular Grill Griddle.
If you're looking to step up your cooking game, this might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Let's get right into it.
This grill griddle plate measures 20 inches long by 10.39 inches wide, making it versatile for various cooking needs. It's made from durable cast iron, known for its excellent heat retention and even heat distribution.
Plus, it comes pre-seasoned, so you can start cooking right out of the box.
Highlight key features such as its reversible design, user-friendly handles, and oven-safe capability up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. What sets this apart is its reversible design.
You can use the flat side for pancakes and eggs, while the grill side is perfect for steaks and vegetables. The handles are sturdy and heat-resistant, ensuring safe handling. And being oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit adds to its versatility. Discuss the benefits of cooking with cast iron, such as its natural non-stick properties once properly seasoned. Cast iron is loved by chefs for a reason. It heats evenly, retains heat longer, and with proper care, becomes naturally non-stick over time. It's a kitchen essential that's built to last for generations. Show how to cook using the Grill Griddle Plate, demonstrating both sides for different types of foods. Let's put this Grill Griddle Plate to the test. On the flat side, we'll make some fluffy pancakes, and on the grill side, we'll grill up some juicy steaks.
You'll see how well it performs in action.
Provide tips on how to care for cast iron cookware to maintain its quality and longevity. To keep your Grill Griddle Plate in top shape, remember to hand wash it and dry it thoroughly after each use. A light coating of oil after cleaning helps maintain its seasoned finish and prevents rust. Summarize the review and emphasize why the Amazon Basics Grill Griddle Plate stands out in the market. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Reversible Rectangular Grill by Griddle offers exceptional quality and versatility at an affordable price point. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this is a must-have for your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and cooking tips here on Product Critique. Until next time, happy cooking!